Hello and welcome back. Today we are showcasing a Zesty space, a 3 BHK done with full of vibrant colors and perfect utilization of space.
The kitchen is fully acrylic and customized wallpapers adorn the whole space. TV unit is blended into a Pooja unit.
Well, there's a lot to talk about, but we would rather let you take a tour of the whole house and let us know about your favorite chic space.
Thank you.
Hi. Before we started the interiors for our house, which was a bare shell at that point in time, it seemed a pretty daunting task. Then we met Chic Spaces, Amrit and Apeksha, and from there it was a pretty smooth ride for us. So whether it is at the design stage of what's possible and what's not possible, or at the material selection stage, or during selection of the colors or the materials, whether it is the louvres or the laminates or the kitchen marble, whatever it is, it had been a pretty smooth ride with the inputs that we received from Chic Spaces. And we had Uttamji, who helped us during the execution stage with his supervision and his inputs, and he used to consult us at every point in time. So at the end of the whole interiors process, we had a pretty beautiful home, and we are really happy with the kind of output we got, and we're looking forward to staying in this beautiful chic space.
Yeah, so as my husband said, we are at our home and we wanted to see it beautiful, and so I was the one who is he is the one where focusing on the quality and the purpose of the things, and I am is it beautifying the home? So in that aspect, I also got some very good inputs from Apeksha. She helped me in choosing the colors. So yeah, finally we are here and we are seeing our beautiful home as per our expectations. Yeah, thank you, Spaces.
Thank you.